went to Minnesota for a week to visit some family and friends, and on my way out, I realized we hadn't hit White Castle. And ironically, we live in Wichita, Kansas, which is the birthplace of White Castle. It's actually the first fast food restaurant. And the manager that was there, we happened to tell him we were heading back to Kansas, and he said, well, can you take a souvenir with you? And hooked us up with this mug. This year is their 100th anniversary, so supposedly it changes colors when you put it in something hot. But growing up, everybody loved to hate on White Castle. I loved it, and I still do. So White Castle, if you happen to see this, please come back to Wichita, Kansas, your home birthing place, because a lot of Wichitans would love to see it. A lot of Kansans would. The manager actually said he opened a store in some other state, and he was there for 3 months and had constant customers from Wichita driving just to go to White Castle. So we want you back. Peace.